Hi, it's Jesse from startcopywriting.com. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to become a better copywriter in just 15 minutes a day by following these 5 simple copywriting exercises. So grab a notepad, a pen, and let's get started. Copywriting exercise number 1 is to study advertising. You can't really become a great copywriter if you've never seen examples of great copywriting, and that's why I encourage you to start collecting all of the ads that you see as you go about your day, whether that's in emails, on Facebook, on YouTube, or any other website. When you see ads that grab your attention, create desire or interest in something, or even make you curious, I want you to start saving those ads into a collection that we copywriters call a swipe file. I remember back in the day, in the beginning of my career, I had a physical swipe file, literally a big box full of all the different ads and sales letters and email campaigns and promotions that I'd seen over the years. I saved those into all these separate folders so I could review them whenever I needed inspiration or ideas for the own copy or campaign that I was writing for my clients. So I encourage you to do the same. Actually start creating an online version of a swipe file by taking screenshots or saving different ads that you see on your mobile phone as you're scrolling the internet, or of course on your laptop computer. Having your own swipe file is a great way of learning copywriting and improving your writing skills. Here are some of the questions I recommend that you ask yourself while you're reviewing and studying different copywriting examples. What's the hook? What are they selling? What problems are they trying to solve? What are the benefits? What is unique about it? Where is the trust or proof? Where's the urgency? And what is the call to action? These questions help you think like a copywriter and help you to understand the thinking behind creating these great ads. Copywriting exercise number 2 is to transcribe great ads by hand. What that means is you're going to find examples of great advertising like we've been talking about, and then what I want you to do is to grab a notepad and a pen, and you're going to literally transcribe those ads by hand, meaning writing them down word for word on a notepad. This is recommended by many top copywriters. I myself did this in the beginning of my career because what I learned was when you do this method of transcribing, you can't help but internalize not only the writing style of the copywriter that wrote the ad, but you'll also understand the thinking behind it because you're paying so much attention to that ad by transcribing it. So the simple act of writing a great ad out by hand can do wonders at improving your own copywriting skills and abilities. Copywriting exercise number 3 is to rewrite existing ads or promotions and seeing if you can improve them. Now, it's been reported that the average person is exposed to anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 marketing messages or advertising messages every single day, just by looking on the internet, by walking around the street, by watching TV. We see advertising everywhere. What you want to do in this exercise is when you see an ad that isn't quite right, you want to see what you can do to improve it. Can you write a better headline? Can you write a better hook? Can you feature the benefits in a better way? You can do that mental exercise of, maybe you're stuck in traffic and you think, you're looking at that billboard, how would I improve that? How would I make it more compelling, more interesting? How would I make the product more desirable? Use some of those questions that I mentioned earlier in this video to assess existing ads that you think you could improve, and then mentally think about how you would improve them. This kind of mental exercise is also going to help you sharpen your copywriting skills and become a better copywriter. Copywriting exercise number 4 is to practice writing different types of copy. There are many different types of copy, whether you want to write email marketing campaigns, product descriptions, landing pages, video scripts, the list goes on and on. I recommend you practice writing all the different types of copy, because that way you might find out which type of copy you really enjoy writing the most. And that could be a good indicator to you that that's the type of copy that you become a specialist writer in. We know that specialist copywriters that focus on one particular type of copy and on one particular industry seem to make the most amount of money. So if you're interested in making more money and finding the type of copy that is most enjoyable for you to write, I recommend practice writing each of the different types of copy until you stumble upon the one that you write the best, or the one you enjoy writing the most. So how do you do this? Well, I'd recommend heading over to Amazon.com, finding a department or category that you're interested in, or knowledgeable about or curious about. Once you've chosen a department, let's say it's self-development, then what I want you to do is to find some of the products in that industry on Amazon, and then you can practice writing different types of copy for any of those products you find. Maybe you'll write a video script about a particular program, or maybe you'll write an email campaign selling a particular self-development book. The choice is yours, but have a go at trying different types of copywriting, practice the different types of writing, and see which one you enjoy writing for the most. Copywriting exercise number 5 is to write in a conversational way. You can throw out a lot of the grammar rules that you learned in high school English because they don't apply when it comes to writing copy. When you're writing in a conversational way, you want to write like you speak. You want to write like you're writing to a friend. And that way you're going to connect and communicate in a much more personal way than if you were to use, say, business English or corporate English that just feels, old and outdated and doesn't connect with our readers. So write like you talk, and make sure when you're writing this way that you're using the words you and your more than the words we, our, or us. And that's going to make sure that your writing is centered at your reader and is reader focused as opposed to being me focused, which is when you write all about yourself and you don't write about the reader and their interests and their wants. And to make sure that your writing is in a conversational way, read it out loud when you finish writing your copy and to see if it sounds normal and if it sounds like you would talk. And if it does, then it means you've passed the test. You've written in a conversational way. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, you'll be the first to know whenever I published a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.